Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have these two photos. Now these two photos might look a little funky, but these are construction photos in our back room. We are going through a remodel right now. So I am using my October Kill a Kit with Style, and all I know is that I'm going to be using this sheet right here with kind of this distressed wood grain. Other than that, no flipping idea. So let's see what I can do. Alright, so it might seem weird to be using these mushrooms and basically like floral bits for a construction layout, but you know what? I do what I want, and you should do what you want too. Plus, I figured the color was close enough that it was kind of reminiscent of Target colors, so we're going with that. Now, I am going to use the wood grain paper, like I said, and then I also brought in the dotted paper as well to layer up. Now, I am doing this as basically two large stacking steps, and I'm adding some black outline to them. I just felt like before I even started with this layout, I knew I was going to need a little bit of definition where these papers were, and the outlining does it for me. Now, I could have inked the edges as well, but honestly, guys, I didn't even think about it until now when I'm telling you what I could have done. So I have this piece of paper that is basically a scrap leftover from another layout, and I'm just going to use it to map my photos. Now, I am ending up using the branding strip on one of these, and that is okay with me. It doesn't stress me out at all. It is like a gray little florally bit, and you barely even notice it, right? Like, if you super notice it, like, good on you, but I barely even notice it. So I do have a gap between these two photos. Now that is something I go back and forth on. Sometimes I have a gap in my photographs where, you know, you can see the beautiful paper all the way around each of the photos. Sometimes I like my photos together. Sometimes I like my photos overlapping. There isn't really a rhyme or reason to what version of doing my photos I choose. It's just how I'm feeling in the moment. So I know that I am also going to use these thickers right here from that Paige Evans Go the Scenic Route collection. Now, I will tell you, I am going to use my favorite, and I am going to use mild cursing on here. I say mild cursing because I don't actually spell out the curse word. I use an asterisk instead of one of the letters. So just be warned if that kind of thing offends you, it will be happening. Don't worry, I won't say it. Now, it is the S word, and in our household that is known as the patty mom word, and that is because it is my mother's favorite word in the world, I think, and yeah, it turned out to be the patty mom word in our house. So I am getting ready to get this embellished a little bit, and I have this sticker down here that came from an Ellie Studio Disney-esque sticker sheet, and it says, "This was my favorite show," or "Love this show," or something like that, something along those lines. And since my title is going to be Beep Show, did you like my my beep there? Since that is going to be the title, I figured that this was totally appropriate to put on it as kind of a funny, snarky type deal. So I think it's hilarious. So I'm sorry if you are offended by this. Just turn off the video. Because actually, if I'm telling the truth, I'm not sorry if you're offended by it, because it's my album and I like it, and it's going into, you know, my place. So here we go. So I have my favorite, and now I'm going to pop down a couple of these little dotty bits that were also on the thicker sheet. So that is exciting. I only have one side of that thicker sheet left, and that is because I have combined everything onto one side. As you guys know, or you might not know, I am not a fan of packaging. The less packaging is best, right? The littlest amount of packaging possible. Packaging takes up real estate in your room. So if you are a person that loves to keep everything in its original packaging, then that is taking up very valuable real estate for more things. So I love going through, combining my items down so that I can have space for more stuff. Now, I am going to pull out that sticker book, and I go ahead and take this You Betcha label and I place it on white cardstock and get it over here overlapping that dotted paper. Now I also wanted to peel off this one. Now this one was great because it peeled off some of the backing paper with it and I did not have to back it on cardstock. These are clear stickers. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with clear stickers. Probably leaning more towards the hate. So I decided to finally use this little orange label that's kind of been living there. I've pulled it off multiple times trying to get it in a layout, and I never have, but I figured that this would be a great opportunity to highlight that sentiment down there at the bottom that says, "Loved this show." Because even though, you guys, even though this remodel supposed to be quick, in and out, 12 weeks, it could be in and out, done. It's an easy remodel. It's just a fulfillment remodel. It's so easy. It's going to be so quick. You're not even going to know that they're there. Yeah. As it stands, our remodel's not ending until the end of February. So we have gone from a quick 12 weeks to over 7 months. So that is not a fun time. That is not a fun time whatsoever. And now we're going into fourth quarter and we're not prepared because the remodel is still going on. So good grief, good googly moogly. That's what I have to say about that. So I am going to use these little date labels. This is Sunday through Saturday, and I'm just using them as a little bit of decoration over here on the photograph. And then, of course, I need to add a little bit more adhesive because some of the things are popping off. Now, I'm looking through the sticker book because I'm trying to see if there's anything else I can add to this layout. Now, this sticker book, I also have a love-hate relationship with, but I lean more towards the love side. There's a lot of butterflies in this sticker book. A lot of butterflies. So I am just flipping through. I'm trying to figure out things, what I can do. I'm kind of picturing things in my head. And I decide that, I'm pretty much done on this. I don't need to add anything else. And then I just decide to add my journaling. And I talk about how it was supposed to be the quick remodel. And then, of course, it is now over 7 months long. And then I start out with, it's fine, it's all going to be fine. Because that is what I have used as a mantra, I guess, the past couple weeks. Probably almost a month now. It's fine, it's all going to be fine. Well, I was just saying that at retreat. So it's definitely been at least a month that this mantra has been going on in my head. And as you can see, yes, I was counting on my fingers there to figure out how many months the remodel was supposed to take. So here I am. There it is, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you again real soon for another video.